devotees tend not to read the books, and they also tend not to go on Sankirtan. So there you have a recipe for a spiritual disaster. If you go on Sankirtan, is it challenging? Yeah, it's challenging. It may be stressful, et cetera, et cetera. But if you want to be strong, you have to meet opposition. It's the only way. Just like, let's say, somebody who's lifting weights. How does he get stronger? He meets resistance. The whole thing is the muscle experiences resistance, and the muscle gets stronger. If we want to be strong in Krishna consciousness, we have to encounter resistance and learn how to deal with it. So practically everybody resists Krishna consciousness. So no problem finding such people if we go on Sankirtan. Then also, the Sankirtan tends to make a devotee humble and to realize how little he knows, so then he naturally wants to study Prabhupada's books. So it's sort of like, which comes first, the chicken or the egg? In one sense, it's not really important. If you read Prabhupada's books, then you're likely to be more inspired to go on Sankirtan. And if you go on Sankirtan, you're likely to be more inspired to read Srila Prabhupada's books. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.